Seen it out the back window? Hope everything's okay with them. Set it between low and medium. How y'all doing? Going for a ride. Pardon me while I itch my nose. As you've seen, we got rain. Yep. And I gotta adjust my mirror. So there's that. Don't mind me while I adjust it to where I need it. Ha ha. There we go. I can see out my back mirror. I can see out my rear view mirror for the back window to see what's behind me. Haha. Got my waterproof jacket on. It's purple. And we're gonna go town and see what we can do there. Anywho, you can enjoy the view of the driver's side window while I drive and my face impression, but this ain't this is too much on the neck. Adjust myself, make sure my seat's adjusted. Yes, headlights on, wind wipers on too. Well, we gotta have our glasses on to adjust that. That does every few minutes. Aha! Figured it out. We may adjust before we get there. You know what I mean? Alright. Back up time. Don't hit the beast. That's my beast. This is my husband's truck. But I drive his truck more than I drive my truck. He drives mine more than he drives his. If that makes any sense. Makes a lot of sense. Alright. I got a video cam back there too. This road is really bumpy. I'm going to try to take my time out of here because, you know, I don't want you to jiggle. And if we do that, we're only driving 1 mile per hour or 0 mile per hour to take our time off of this road, as you can see. Well, as I can feel it, it's granny top. I'm a granny. Bet my neighbor's like, why is she creeping out of here? It's the bumps! But anyway, gotta go check the balance, see what's in there, and then I gotta go to Wally World to get the dog some dog food because she's about out. Thought I'd take you along for the ride. Clear. Okay, now we go. Speed limit 45 and then it goes to 55. Yeah. This is what it's like when I drive. Of course, y'all ain't checked out on any of those videos, but that's okay. The excitement on my end is not exciting at all, really. Just drive when you get to, and hopefully the coat don't smack you in the face. Ooh, I can turn the heat on my booty. Ball back there. And you get to see some rain. Although I need to clean the window, I know that. Until in the video. But anyway, you know it is what it is. There's going to be wind involved because I get hot too easy. And if you made it this far in the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like and comment and share and hit the bell to all, so you can be notified when I upload a video. If you're interested in whatever this crap is that I come up with, which is a little bit of everything. I'm not making it just one thing, you know, like cooking or lip singing or driving or catching the rain. It could be anything. Or my fur babies. Don't forget about them. Them are my babies. Or me and my husband, you know. Once in a blue moon, I catch him in a video. It is really hilarious. Pretty awesome when I get to. But anyway, enjoy the scenery. And I'm going to roll down the window because I'm a little warm. And I'm not adjusting any of the heat because I want to keep my windows good and clear where I can see. Because it is raining. You know. Thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for sharing. I appreciate you for that. It's the only way my chance here will grow, I guess. I don't know how to word it, but you get to jizz, I hope. If not, okie dokie. It's helped my account grow. I do know. It just takes me a little bit. Yay, green light means go. Whee! Done. Back on the road. Better put some wind wipers to this right. Another red light. Get up here to the white one. I'm going to go ahead and go because they're not moving. Bumpy. Hey, you coming in my lane, buddy? I'm going to go over here. We at Subway. I'll be right back. Anyone else had that problem when they're trying to get out of the ride to go in to get their Subway? I'll be right back, okay? Don't go nowhere. Wouldn't be me if I didn't adjust my pants. Keys in there. Alright. please. I don't want to cook tonight. Woohoo! You want to know how much I spent there? For 2 sandwiches? That looks really good. I got water on my glasses. Let's see. $29.93. Yum! I don't have to cook. I don't have to cook. I got water on my glasses. Where's your napkin? Uh-huh. We have a napkin. Woo! We can get rid of those spots from the glasses. Anyway. Now we can get back on the road. If you wanna. If you wanna. Let's do it. Turn. Rear view mirror, side mirrors, camera in the back. Yep, we're good. Neutral drive. Let's go. Let's get. Whoop. Let's stop right here and let this one get on around. Howdy. Can't see around that curvy. Yep. Speed bump. Pothole. Wiggle wiggle. We're too cheap to fix the parking lot. Oh. Headlights. You forgot them. It's okay. We got them on, people. We got them on. It's all good. Don't panic. Whew. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Oh. That kind of made me pull to the passenger side. Be careful on the highway. You never know when you're going to be pulled to the right or left due to puddles of water on the highway. Woo, them sandwiches got my mouth a-watering. Yes, they do. Sad part is we're heading to Walmart now. We're going to pick up some dog food. A couple of boxes of honey bun, a bag of potatoes, and I think a sweet one sweet potato chip. Okay, I know the old man says don't go bonkers with it. You know, you gotta pay some stuff. Okay, we won't do it. We won't do it. We won't do it this time. Okay. Alright. Any hootie. Boy, it's just a rainy day. I've been everywhere. Everywhere, I tell you. It's just raining. Kind of hoping to catch some lightning. Because when it lightens, it's pretty cool. It's just getting it on video. I'll put it in short terms so that I can say, even though I want to say big words. But anywho, oh, excuse me. I had a Coca-Cola before I left. But yay. I'm gonna roll the window down now. Kind of hot. Sometimes I think I'm going through, what is it? Menopause. That's what I think I'm going through. Sometimes it'd be hot and cold and hot and cold and hot and cold. Cold and hot. Hot and cold. Right now it's hot. Maybe because I still have my purple coat on and it's raining. And this coat does very well. It beads the water off. It never soaks it in. It's really good. I don't know the name of it. Can shortly. Whee! Why are you over that way? Road's this way. Yeah. See it? It's gonna come down harder before we get in the store. Nice. Look at those raindrops. They're huge. I can only imagine what it's going to be like when I go in the store. Woo! Buddy. Better turn them wind wipers on, eh? Uh-oh. Somebody's in a rush to get out. That's a good way to get smacked. Woo! When's the best time to go shopping? In the rain. I know I'm nuts for doing this, but I don't want to do it tomorrow. It's the weekend. I should be home. You're a big boy. I'm not in your way. You can go, big boy. The big truck, the big flatbed. You got a bunch to the right, and I'm making a left. Come on now. They're all lined up in the park. I gotta wait on this white one to pass by so I can get out. If she'll hurry up, I can get out. See? Where do I like to park? Way down in China. Somebody in my parking spot. Well, you're one right by it? Yep. Somebody happy today. It's just rain. You're not sugar. You will not melt. Hello? Woo! Y'all getting to see my side of humor today. Annoying wind wipers, hey? Now we go in here and get this and then get out here and get soaked. But this coat actually saves me from getting soaked. Oh, I can't turn you. Dang it. No, that'll come off. As I was saying, it's a lovely day to go shopping for dog food, honey buns for the husband, and a bag of potatoes. I did want one sweet potato, but I'm not going to do that. Nope. He said only get what we agreed on, so this is what I'm doing for today. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Hit the bell for all, and tune in next time for the next video. Appreciate you. Bye. Happy weekend. Wow, going the wrong way. See the way I'm backing out. They're going up that way. As you can see, I'm backing out and I'm turning this way to face down this way. And that's the way we should go. This is a one-way street, and that person was going the opposite way in a wrong way. Great. I'm going to have the wind wipers on, people. Oopsie daisy. Don't want to lose the sandwiches. Oops. Don't want to rip the bag either, but we're gonna. Get you back up there. I could have went, but I better put my lights on because it's raining. Raining. My videos are always Willy Wonka because they ain't got nothing stable. But that's okay. It is what it is. I'm okay with it. Away we go. Back home on a rainy day. Hoping to catch a little lightning. That I will. Although this early morning time I did, but that was a different day ago, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be quiet through this video. It's just a driving video. Get to see what's around me and what we see in the rain. Okay? So like, subscribe, comment, set your bell to all, and join me on my next video. To my subscribers, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. And for those who ain't subscribed, please subscribe, and you'll get that appreciation as well. That's how we can make this grow and become something. I don't know. I'm a little bit of everything and anything. Although my driving videos, there's going to be air because I have my windows down and I'm not going to be hot. I don't like being hot. So there's that. So continue to watch. I know it's a little bit long video, but look at all that nature and beauty. A lot of people don't get this. I know I don't get to get out very much, and when I do, I take it for granted. You know, I grab it and enjoy it. Don't that look like a Scooby-Doo van? Oh, what's the name of that? Scooby-Doo. What, are you type van? I want one of those. I want one of those so bad, you know. Just like I want a Jeep too, but I ain't getting one of those. Alright, I'm going to be quiet from here on out. But be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, set your bell to all, and share the video. And definitely leave a comment. I'll give you a thumbs up and a heart, and I comment back. Probably about the only one that would when I see it. And when I get to check on it, meaning probably won't happen right then and there, but once I do, I will. I can guarantee you that. Alrighty, enjoy the view. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day.